Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got some Crescent scissors as well as Milwaukee scissors. We've got a variety of them. We're going to cut them open, take a look at them, check them out. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Alright, so I picked up these scissors, previous video. I figured to make the videos a little shorter, we're going to cut these open in this video. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Also did pick up another Ryobi tool. Went back today. I've been to Home Depot 3 times today. Twice on service calls. Went back with my wife. I also picked up some Milwaukee shirts as well as a couple Carhartt shirts, and another pair of scissors. It's the smaller Crescent, looks like snips. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys all of them and then we'll cut them open. So the serrated, large all metal handles, up to 10 times longer life. These are the serrated offset, job site offset scissors, which is part number 48224040. Bring the light over here a little. This one right here is the non-serrated. There are the smooth jaws. Job site straight scissors. These are straight with the handles. These are 48-22-4041. These are the serrated job site use Crescent wise. Inline tradesman shears, landscaping, flooring, roofing, siding, and more. These are right hand use because they have the indent that fits your thumb comfortably. They do have a left-handed version of these as well. These are Charlie Whiskey 10 Tony Mary. These guys right here are the same. These are just the smooth jaw style. These are general use, professional shears, heavy fabric, cardboard, leather, plastic, and more. These are right hand. This is Charlie Whiskey 10 Tony. So these are Charlie Whiskey 10 Tony Mary. So the Mary has the serrated, without the M is not serrated. These are the all-purpose scissors. From Crescent Wise, light fabric, thin plastic, cardboard, and more. These say right and left hand use because the indent is on both sides. So you can use them, doesn't matter which hand. All of these that I grabbed that are right handed is because I'm right handed dominant. I am ambidextrous, I can use both hands. These are Charlie Whiskey 812 Sam. These are the small stainless style. These are titanium. So let's get these cut open. Oh, and this book I picked up for free. It was sitting next to the miter saws. Different lighting products. I have several of these. I do not have the Rover Flood rolling light or the round light, but I have M12 Rover, M18 Rover. I have the Radius compact light. I don't have the $400 one-key lights or the large, massive Radius lights. I didn't even know Milwaukee made one of these. Dual pack tower light. That's interesting. I have all these down here. I have these right here as well. It's got some on the back too. I have these two. This one. I don't have this, the M12 spotlight. I don't have the M18 stick light. I don't think I have the M12 stick light. I don't have the metal flashlight that you can put the M12 batteries in. I've been looking for one of those. I don't have this little M18 work light either, or the M12 work light. But I also want to pick up this under the hood light too. But I just picked this up. It was free. Didn't cost anything. Nice to look at. So let's get into these. I did grab my favorite Warrior from Harbor Freight shears, battery shears, so we can cut these open. Fling. Got the little snips right here too, because it's got a zip tie on it. And pull those guys out. I usually keep these little cardboard inserts with the information on them for a little while. Usually I'll take a couple photos of them so I can remember what they said before I get rid of them. So all four of my fingers actually do fit in here pretty nice. These do have a nut, so you can take these apart, clean them, resharpen them individually. So the way these set up, this also has a index finger groove right here. Actually feels pretty nice. These guys right here. Cut that guy. Cut this one open also. Plastic out the way. Those guys right here, which also have the finger groove for the index finger. These do feel really nice. These are not serrated. We have these. These are the serrated Crescents. These are big enough you could put all four of your fingers in, or especially for me. These are the titaniums, titanium coated. So these I just bend back a little bit. Kind of just slide them out. See, these are the same. These have that indentation right here, so it fits in your thumb pretty nice. These do have an indentation right here where you can put your index finger as well. They feel good. So these pop out pretty easy. The Crescents. These are big enough to fit all four fingers for me. Feel nice. So let's use the Milwaukee plastic on one of these. See how well each one of these cuts into plastic. Pretty easy. For the larger metal serrated, or the larger Milwaukee serrated, these are the Milwaukee without the serrations. Pretty easy. Those feel pretty nice. Here is the Crescent Wise serrated. These cut really, really nice, very thin. Okay. The non-serrated Crescent. nice and thin. They cut very well. And here's the little ones, the small crescents. These also do have nuts on the back. They look like lock nuts for all the crescent ones. These cut really well too. Not sure how they will do on really thick plastic. I don't know if I have any thick plastic left. Oh, this is thick plastic. This is what the Makita battery came in. A little bit harder for those. We're gonna have to clean up all the plastic. It's not bad. Not bad for the non-serrated, for the Crescent, the larger. These are the serrated. The serrated cut pretty well for the Crescent on this thicker plastic. Let's check the non-serrated Milwaukees. Well, it feels a little tough for the Milwaukees. Feels like the Crescent, serrated Crescents were doing a little bit easier. We're gonna have lots of plastic to clean up. So these are the serrated Milwaukees. Well, the serrated Milwaukee seem to be handling this with ease. And I do like these. These actually do feel really nice. I like that it's not running into my hand. Like the Harbor Freight shears that I've been using for a while on the channel. So they all cut relatively smoothly, no issues at all. You know, I picked these up for use around the house, as well as, you know, if I need to go somewhere and I need some heavier duty scissors. So they cut really well. Even on the hump of the battery on the plastic, did pretty well. I actually cut that hump off. So just a quick little demo. I did pick up another smaller pair of the Crescents, which I'll show you guys real quick if I can find in these bags. Which are these guys right here. So I did pick these up. These are little compact utility shears, job site use. Landscaping, J-channel, flashing, tubing, and more. And these have a little handle lock. So I picked these up too. It says high 10 times power leverage, compact design, spring-loaded handle, which they are spring-loaded. Titanium coated. These are $14. These say right and left hand use. They have a lock, limited lifetime warranty. These on the back say compact, heavy duty, titanium coated stainless steel blades for powerful cutting on heavy materials. Serrated bottom blade grips material for cleaner cuts and greater control. Ergonomic design optimizes handle contact points to maximize comfort and control, which they are pretty comfortable, I have to say so. These might have to take back. They are kind of bent. That is odd. I'm not sure they're supposed to be that bent. They're a good few inches off. That's interesting. These are Charlie Whiskey 7, Tony. Designed, engineered, tested in the USA. Pretty nice to see. So, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today on this video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, dislike, people that watch, the people that hang out on the channel, leave comments, people that use the affiliate links, as well as the people that you watch the ads every once in a while. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized. This right here is $70, $72 worth of scissors, and then the other ones are 14 bucks, so it's about 80. About 87, 89, about 90 bucks worth of scissors. They're gonna come in handy. Instead of me buying one at a time, I just bought all of them at the same time. I wanted to give all of them tests down the road, see which ones are more comfortable over time. I do like the handle, especially on these Crescent serrated ones. It's nice that you can put all 4 of your fingers in it, but if you want, you can also index right here with your index finger. I do like that the Milwaukee provides that too, because the Milwaukee has the smaller handles. It looks like they all have nuts you can take. These actually have Allen heads that you can take the nuts off of. Looks like all of these, like these have larger, these look like a flanged lock nut. Certain lock nuts, they are bent on each side. They're kind of ovaled so that they lock when you thread them on. These are the same. They're kind of out of shape on purpose. And then these guys right here have the little bitty tiny, looks like a 1/4 inch lock nut. But they're all in all, they're all nice. They're all pretty comfortable in the hand. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. We're going to do lots of tool testing coming on the channel because the channel's monetized, and we're going to do as much testing as we possibly can for you guys. Going to do lots of head-to-heads coming up. We're going to be getting some Sheetmaster jaw horses to clamp some wood in. We're going to start buying wood with the money from the channel. Got DeWalt, 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. We got Milwaukee M12 and M18 brushed and brushless fuel tools. We got Metabo 18 volt and Metabo 12 volt and 18 volt. We got Bosch 18 volt core. We got Metabo HPT Hitachi power tools 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. We have 18 volt Bosch sticks. We have 12 volt and 20 volt Earthquake XT. We have Ryobi 18 volt. Might be getting some tools for the 40 volt for Ryobi, I've been thinking about, because Ryobi has some really big cultivator attachment for the 40 volt tools. It goes 7 inches deep, which is pretty big. And it's all steel. It's a nice unit for 99 bucks. I might be picking that up just because it also states on it, it'll work with lots of other attachment systems. So that might be an option. Maybe I'll try to pick it up, just see if it will work on the DeWalt or the Milwaukee or even my Stihl. Who knows? And got tons of other tools. Got lots of corded tools, DeWalt, Stanley, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, Makita, Bosch. I think I have an old couple of Milwaukee tools. But if all those, any of those things catch your interest, please smush the bell notification icon. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for stopping by and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!